Joel Armstrong, you need to stop making bad videos out of good users. And you need to stop making bad videos out of Dave the Airbus A320 fan. Why are you making... Joel Armstrong, why are you making bad videos out of good users? You need to stop doing that. Look at this, guys. Joel Armstrong also made another bad video out of Dave the Airbus A320 fan. And Joel Armstrong also made another bad video out of him. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop making bad videos out of good users. You know that's not good. And you need to stop you need to stop making bad videos out of Dave the Airbus A320 fan. And look, there's a video called "Did Gaming Master Make Me Switch Accounts?" Alright. Let's watch it.
Yes, he is. Yes, he did.
Look.
So yes, he is. Of course he is. So you can shut your mouth, Game Master. You did, and you know you did. So you can just shut your mouth before I make shut up for you, you little fat ass, you little ugly brat.
Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling Gaming Master a fatty. You need to stop saying that to him. That is not nice. You need to stop calling Gaming Master a fatty. You know that's not nice at all. Let's watch the rest of the video.
Yeah, get roasted, you flippin'. You know what likes you, Game Master? You're so ugly, like, your face looks like a furry. Like that guy who...
Joel Armstrong! You need to stop making bad videos out of Gaming Master. You know that Gaming Master is my best friend.
Expose your face. You do look like a furry, you idiot. You always harass me for no reason. So stop it before I give you a strike. I can give you a strike. I know.
Joel Armstrong, you better not give Gaming Master a strike. You need to stop. You need to stop giving Gaming Master strikes for no reason. Gaming Master did not do anything wrong to you.
So if you don't want your child to be terminated, you can just shut your mouth.
Joel Armstrong. Joel Armstrong. You need to stop telling him. You need to stop telling Gaming Master to shut his mouth. You know that telling people to shut their mouths is rude, and it's not nice.
Game Kiko.
Listen to this part, guys.
Game Kiko.
Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling Gaming Master a Kiko. Why did you call Gaming Master a Kiko? You need to stop calling Gaming Master a Kiko. Joel Armstrong, you're such a you're such a bad user because you always make bad videos out of good users. Watch this part again.
Before I give you a strike. I can give you a strike. I know how to. So if you don't want your channel to be terminated, you can just shut your mouth. Game Kiko.
Joel Armstrong, you need to stop calling Gaming Master a Kiko. That's not nice. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop making bad videos out of good users. That's not nice. Alright, hold on just for a second. Alright. Yep, so Dave the Airbus A320 fan told me to do an angry message to Joel Armstrong. Because Joel Armstrong made a bad video out of Dave the Airbus. Yeah, that's why this user told me to do an angry message to Joel Armstrong. Because Joel Armstrong made a bad video out of him. He told... And he wants me to know, to tell him why he told me to tell him why I had to disable likes and dislikes and comments. That's why Joel Armstrong has so many dislikes, because Joel Armstrong is a bad user. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop making bad videos out of good users. Look at this. This video is supposed to be a free dislike video, not a free like video. Look at this, guys. Look, this video has 4 likes and 73 dislikes. Look, this is supposed to be a free dislike video, not a free like video. And Vicky Prince said like. Look at this. Vicky Prince said liked. Vicky Prince, this is not a free like video. This is a free dislike video, not a free like video. Joel Armstrong. And Joel Armstrong, look at what Joel Armstrong did to Shining Starco. Joel Armstrong puts Shining Starco into the atrocious YouTubers wiki. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop putting Shining Starco on the atrocious YouTubers wiki. Shining Starco is a good user. And Joel Armstrong, you need to stop making bad videos out of good users. And Joel Armstrong, and Joel Armstrong, you need to stop. You need to stop calling Gaming Master a Kiko. You know that's not nice too. Joel Armstrong, you need to stop. You need to stop calling good users a Kiko. Yeah, Joel Armstrong needs to stop making bad videos out of good users. Joel Armstrong, you also need to respect people's opinions. You need to stop bashing people's opinions. Yep, this is my angry message to Joel Armstrong. So, goodbye and have a great day.